kay 51 cents or 50 cents? Tuwa naman yung tatay nito. Justin Jesse naman. May cry. You're hungry? Are you hungry? Hindi ba siya? Sandali, sandali. Don't cry. Don't cry. Chick, chick, chick. Chicky, chicky, chick. Chicky, chicky, chick, chick, chick. Chick, chick, chick. Chick, chick, chick. Chicky, chicky, chick. September pa. September pa yung birthday niya. Birthday 3. May 5 na? May 5 na siya. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3. Parang nagpalit na ngayon, ano? Oo.